Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. We are mathematics lecturer from College Matriculasi Johor would like to introduce our innovation in education. The title of our innovation is Maths Wizard Hub, an interactive gamification platform for mathematics learning. Maths Wizard Hub revolutionized Malaysian matriculation mathematics education by addressing limited resources and low students' motivation. This innovative platform integrates gamification, offering interactive games, personalized learning paths, and challenging activities. Students engage actively, fostering deeper understanding of mathematical concepts. Educators utilize user-friendly tools like Genially, WordWall, and Canva to create 26 dynamic learning materials, including escape room, quizzes, and board games. By fostering collaboration and aligning with Malaysia Digital Education Policy, Maths Wizard Hub promotes inclusive and equitable quality education, contributing to achievement of Sustainable Development Goal for quality education. The problem statement for this innovation are: first, students are lack of digital resources to learn maths. Second, paper method that we usually use in class decrease student engagement while learning. Third, students are lack of interest and motivation while learning mathematics. So this is why we took an initiative to solve the problems by developing an interactive gamification platform, and we name it as Maths Wizard Hub. We have four main objectives for this innovation. Other than providing interactive educational gamification platform for students and lecturers, we also want to create fun learning environment and to encourage lifelong learning. Besides that, we also aim to create inclusive and equitable quality mathematics learning where every student, regardless of their background and abilities, has access to high quality maths education. Methodology. The development process involved integration of digital tools like Genially, WordWall, and Canva to create interactive games in Maths Wizard Hub. We have created a lot of games that covered various topics in mathematics. There are 3 types of different games, which are escape room, board games, and quizzes. In Maths Wizard Hub, you will find 10 different games in escape room, 4 different board games, and 12 quizzes games. You can choose any topics, play any games, and do it anytime. Now, we will show you on how to play those games.
Hi, my fellow soldier. In this game, in order to win, you have to go through 4 levels. Each of these levels has each jump. You have to gain all of the 4 jumps to make your sword powerful and win the battle with the dragon. For the first level, it's called Earth Jump. You have to gain the Earth Jump by answering some questions. The questions from topic 1. Moving on to the next. The next level name called Air Jump. To gain the Air Jump, you have to answer the questions from topic 5. It's graphs. You have to answer the graph correctly. If you answer correctly, you will get the Air Jump. And the next level, it's called Water Jump. You have to find through the water the correct answer. These questions are from topic 2. After you gain the 3 jumps, you will go to the last battle, which is the last level called the Fire Jump. But these questions are from topic 8. You have to answer correctly and not get it wrong. If you get it wrong, you have to try again until you get it correct. After you gain the Fire Jump, now you are a true warrior. You will have a powerful sword on your hand, and you can take the battle with the Radiant Charizard. Good luck, my soldier.
It's a digital board game played by 3 players. The game features a numbered grid where players advance in their pieces by rolling a dice. The goal is to reach the finish line first. However, player needs to answer questions if they arrive at certain places. As you can see, here's our game. Let's go through the instruction first. Now I'll briefly explain the instruction of this game. Players start with a token, which represents each of them, in the initial square and take turns rolling the dice. The token move according to the numbering on the board, in ascending order. If a player roll a 6, they can move twice in a single turn. If the player lands on a square that has a question, the player is required to solve the question before moving to the next turn. If the player answers incorrectly, they have to wait until their next turn is skipped, and they can only play again on the following round. There is a version where, if a player is 6 or fewer squares away from the end, they must roll precisely the number needed to reach it. If the number rolled exceeds the number of remaining squares, the player cannot move. The player who reaches the final square is the winner. For your information, this is the symbol of a snake. If the player lands on a square where the tail of a snake starts, they go down to the lower square where the head is located. And this is the ladders. If the player falls on the bottom of a ladder, they move up to the top square where the ladder ends. The that's all about the instruction. Let's move to the game. Now, for example, I'm player 1 and I roll a 4. I move the piece 4 spaces and land on the question card. Click on the question and answer it. The question could be anything about number system. If the player answers it correct, they stay on the space and it's player 2 turn. On the other hand, if the player answers incorrectly, their next turn is skipped and they can only play again on the following round. There are also special space on the board like ladders and snake, which I mentioned in the instruction just now. The first player to reach the end of the board wins. But remember, it's all about learning as you play.
This is what we gain from user feedback survey. More than 90% students agree that Maths Wizard Hub is easy to access, user-friendly and free to get. Students also feel motivated and interested to learn maths. Same goes to lecturers. They agree that Maths Wizard Hub can enhance their digital skill and get more exposure to digital tools. As a result, they have increased their professional development. Through discussion, we totally agree that Maths Wizard Hub enhance students' digital skill, increase student interest in mathematics, and empowering lecturers to deliver interactive lessons. While developing Maths Wizard Hub, we also experienced an unexpected impact where lecturers' teamwork, perseverance, and growth mindset has been fostered. Last but not least, through Maths Wizard Hub, students and lecturers are prepared to align with Dasar Pendidikan Digital 2023 and Kurikulum Persekolahan 2026. Commercial potential. In future, Maths Wizard Hub can be developed as maths learning games application with more interesting features. Other than that, Maths Wizard Hub can be upgraded to subscription model that is more suitable for performance tracking and class management features. As conclusion, Maths Wizard Hub not only makes learning more engaging and enjoyable for students, but also ensure that each learner's unique needs are met. The high-quality maths resources help students mastering maths concept. Meanwhile, the user-friendly tools empowers educators to facilitate and monitor student progress effectively. That's all from us, so it's time for you to explore. Thank you.